Hello, ready for round 3 prompt reveal for Creative Whispers. So a lot of you guessed very close, so I think it counts. But the prompt was clip art. I made them more simplified instead of such, because I have some of these journal prompts that I have in my stash and they're just a little too difficult to guess because they're a little too specific. So I thought I would go with a little more wider of topics. And so this time was clip art. So I think anything that kind of is close to clip art, like figures or anything like that, I think fits. I think it works. So if you guess something similar, I say you won. I say you got it. So anyways, now I just want to hear what your guesses were in here and just let us know. Thank you so much for playing along and joining us on this. I know it's summertime and people are busy, but it's still been a lot of fun to have this and have you guys join in. So thank you for being here.
Hey, this is Wendy, and my guess for August Creative Whispers prompt was paper dolls. Did you guess right? Did I guess right? I don't know.
Hello everyone, it's Tina from Tina Hoy's Art. Guys, it's that time for me to guess what the prompt was for Creative Whispers round 3. Before I do that, I just want to thank all of you for playing along with us, for taking part, posting your work, posting your videos. I really appreciate it. Thanks for tagging me. So I got to watch Wendy's video, and Wendy's video had a lot of stamping going on, and she talked about stamping from Lisa's video. So I'm going to go with stamped images for this round, and I'm crossing my fingers and I'm going to wait for the reveal, and we'll see all of you in round 4.
Hello, lovely people. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos for round 3 for Creative Whispers. We, Lisa, Wendy, Tina and myself, we only see one video. The order changes every time, every round, and we only see the video of the person whose turn it is before us. And this time I was the last one. When having watched Tina's video, I had my doubts about 2 things. Was it a portrait? Or was it the lovely mark making she did? I just didn't know what to choose. So finally I chose for the portrait. So I went creating with that one in mind. It's every month so much fun. Are you also curious about the prompt? We will just have to wait for the reveal on the 15th of this month. Meanwhile, enjoy making your own version. And don't forget to share. We would love to see yours.